Hi everyone, I am Taner Akdemir. Let's continue to develop the login and sign up pages. Let's continue text input. Okay, this is the email we set. So let's get keyboard type here and is equal to email address. So let's check. Yes, this one, as you see, email. As you see, email address. Okay, keyboard type will be email address, and also another thing. No, okay. Now email and set email. Set text. We gave the set email function to the my text input. So it when we get the text, it sets the text to the email state. Okay, now let's continue. Let's copy this. Also password, as you see, set password. Okay, the initial value is empty string. So let's copy this, and also maybe this will, let's increase a little. So good. And my text input, we will need container margin vertical, maybe, or let's try first 15. And okay, now let's copy this, paste it here. This is the second component. Okay, so good. Let's write here password. And light gray, also password, set password here, and this will be default, right? Default. Also we will get secure text entry here, and let's paste it. It will be true. And now another thing is the icon. So as we see that we cannot change the icon, so we will develop it as flexible. Here let's write icon. Okay, icon. And also let's write icon will be prop types dot string and is required or not required. Icon will be, for example, default will be user. Okay, default will be user. Yes, so good. So let's get icon here, and in out.js let's write key. Yes, this is the password. Okay, maybe let's decrease a little. Let's try it, or maybe and also let's decrease the font size. Yes, I think this is better than the previous. Okay, now let's create an button. After that we will put an maybe we can put a remember me checkbox. Okay, let's continue with developing the button. Also button will be the component, because we are going to use in some places, in few places. Okay, so let's create an new JS file. My button, we say, let's say the name is not important, it's up to you. My button JS, and also let's copy some of them. Okay, and let's take this, or okay, let's get all of them. Let's paste. If we don't need, we can clear them. Const my button is equal to a function, as you know, and it takes props. So const, maybe we'll send text will be props and return maybe a touchable opacity. Okay, let's first add here touchable opacity, and also not text input, only text is enough. And touchable opacity, let's close it, let's put in text, and it will get from text. Okay, we'll get from text. So my button, export default my button, also const styles is equal to StyleSheet.create, okay, an object will get maybe container, and let's put an empty object. So let's style will be styles.container, and also maybe and text we can say for the style, and let's write style will be styles.text, and style now maybe okay, prop types, yes, we will use, sorry, my button first, and let's get my prop type, as we write here, prop type prop type is equal to text will be a string, prop types that string, and is also is required, right? Required. Maybe we can put the default, let's copy this default props, but okay, and like this default props we put sorry, and colors, okay, we will put all of them. Let's get my button here, let's copy this, my button, and also my button, let's cut it and copy it here, sorry, let's write copy, and also prop, let's try the prop type first of all, and no, intelligence, okay, prop type, we will check it if the T will be uppercase or lowercase, I will check it, okay, and my button key, text is equal to login, okay, it's written here as you see. Now let's continue to develop the style of the my button. Okay, now we are going to combine the other styles which will give us a flexibility. Okay, so let's write styles also will be style, okay, and close it, and it will come from the parent. Let's say a container style, let's give this name, and also container style will be an object from prop types dot object, and if nothing will be given, the default value is empty object. Okay, also we will do the same thing to the text because it will increase the flexibility of the component. So let's close, and maybe text style style. Let's get it and copy it here. So text style will be the same as here, and also will be the same like container style. And let's look at text style, supply text, key text style, like text. Okay, we'll write text and text style object text style text. Okay. Now container style, we don't have to give any default value of the container style or text style. So default props is text style is empty object and container style is empty object. So let's continue to container, and we will put width also will be again, and height will be maybe let's try this if it's good or not. And also justify content will be center, and align items will be centers also, and padding, no, let's try first background color will be color dot dark red, and also border radius will be 3. And let's continue text style font size will be, for example, this, maybe it's enough. Text align will be center, and maybe bold, font weight will be bold. Let's look at first. Okay, we will look at this. And also color will be colors dot white. Okay. And also let's get it to a view, maybe view. So got it to view, and let's put this style. Let's get this style and give the view. Okay, so good, became so good. So, and we will write on press, right? We will call on press will be called an on press function we will give from the parent, and also on press will be prop types dot function. That also is required, right? Is required. And prop type. Okay, let's look at it. So login, so good. And I think this is not, but let's give a margin vertical as 10. Okay, margin vertical will be 10 or maybe 50. Okay, vertical mean upper and below. Okay, vertical, and this is login. So on press, if we need on press, we have to give, right? Sorry, on press will be a function to call login, but I will put empty function and I will give it soon later. Okay, on press. So we created the my button as a component here, my button as a component, And let's continue. I think icon, right? We don't need this. Also useState is not used. Let's clear it. If we need again, we can add container style text. Okay, and now we put the button to the login page. Let's continue with developing the other part of the sign up and sign in part. Okay, so let's put a my button again. Let's copy it, my button, and say for the text sign up. Okay, and now we will give container style and text style to prepare the button from the parent. Let's give an container style, and it will be an object, as you know. Maybe let's look at background color will be this, and also, and let's look at it first. Okay, now background color is, no, sorry, let's look at this view container style. View color will be colors dot white, nothing. Okay, let's look at it again. Container style, sorry, not this. Let's clear this. Also, let's clear this. Okay, let's get back. Okay, and also we have text style, right? Let's get it. Let's give text style will be the also object, right, as you see. And maybe color, we need color dot gray, let's or black, or what, dark yellow, metallic gray, light gray, dark red, white. Okay, dark gray. Okay, and also text decoration will be underline. Let's look at it. What's saying? Invalid prop style key text decorations applied to text. Okay, minimize this. I think text decoration line, maybe. Okay, line. Okay, text decoration line. I'm so sorry. Text decoration line, sign up, and maybe font size will be, let's try this. Okay, so we put the font size. As you see that it's flexible because we can control the component from the parent, as you see. So we gave another style from the parent, and we can change all the style of the component. Okay, container style with, and also text style, maybe like this. Okay, let's format this. And also on press we will, sorry, and another thing, let's do it. Okay, now let's put another state which will be is login. Let's say set is login. Also this will be true. Okay, and we will say if login is login, then we will put my button here, and also not login, we will put another thing, sign in, and the others are the same. Okay, let's control. Okay, so good. So on press, it will change the is login. Okay, set is login. We will give it. So on press, we will call and set is login to false, right? Set is login to true, sorry. So the true. And also let's copy this. Set is login to true and false. Sign up. False, sorry. Yes, this will be false. And now another text inputs we will put for sign up. Okay, first let's change is login false. Okay, as you see, we now see a sign in. So let's get my button also here. Let's cut it as login. It will be here, and sorry, we will put an empty because only one element we have to put. So, and also sign in. Let's, okay, no, the problem, what's the problem? Not sign in. Okay, let's get back. Okay, login. Maybe we can do the same thing. Okay, let's cut it and also put it here. Okay, not important, the type. So is login. Let's paste it here. Login and sign up and sign up. Okay, and okay, sign up. We are because we set the initial value to false. Sign up, as you know, sign in. So, and another my text input we can get from here, and in login and sign up button, let's try it again, and also let's put my text input here. Also got it and put here. And for sign up, maybe secure text entry false, or let's clear it default, and mobile phone, for example. And also let's get and password and mobile phone, and also set mobile phone, M will be uppercase, and mobile phone, and also name, set name, and also what is it? Okay, placeholder is mobile phone. Here the value will be mobile phone, and set mobile phone. Keyboard icon will be phone. Okay, let's look at it. Okay, mobile phone. And also we can merge this, right? And let's get it. Let's try it again. Sign up, sorry, what's this? My button, sign up, and sign in. Okay, let's cut it from, oops, let's get it from my button and put it here. Okay, and also sign up and put it to login. And oops, also we will put right on one parent. Let's clear that object and also save it. Yes, it's working. On the one object is enough for us. Okay, and sign up mobile phone. Maybe last one is enough for us. And email, password, mobile phone. And maybe cookie is not important. Name, we can say name. Also email icon, let's name and user. Okay, user is good. Name is here and set name will be here. So let's change the email icon. Let's change it. Icon will be envelope. No, envelope. Yes, envelope. And as we know that user icon is default, so if we clear it, yes, it will work. Okay. And let's check any problem here. Let's control first. Okay, let's look at the sign in and sign up. Set this login true. And sign in. We sign in and sign up. Okay, false and true. Let's look at it. Okay, sign up. As you see that when the user click the sign in, so email, password and login components will be on the screen. And also if he say or she say let's sign up, okay, it will click, so sign up button, sign in, sign up, sign in. So good. Okay, and let's finish the video here, then we will continue on the next session. See you later.